ICMR and the facilities that India has developed over the years, and more particularly in COVID, in terms of developing its infrastructure, whether it was hospitals or whether it was COVID care centers or COVID health facilities or quarantine centers, and of course the laboratories. The journey of the uh, scaling up of the laboratories in terms of their numbers and also the quality of things that they can do, and of course the numbers that they can do simultaneously in one single day, it has been greatly enhanced, and it's a great success story. I still remember that sometimes in April everybody used to blame us for few thousand tests only in a country as big as 1.35 billion people. And on television channels also we used to see test, and uh, we were like we had taken up this issue as a challenge. I know that a couple of years back this sample used to be sent outside the country, and now when we had that one single facility in NIV Pune, we have in the last 1 year got today facilities at over 2,300 and I think 65 places or so, where we can have the COVID-19 RT-PCR testing etc. done. ICMR as such has played, and its scientists have played a very significant, strong, positive role in the success of our fight against COVID. Uh, in a vast country like India, to have attained a recovery rate of over 97% now and a fatality rate of 1.43%, and to be doing 1 million tests almost a day, um, at covering, I would say, the whole length and breadth of the country. I was told at one point of time, and I am sure that it must have improved by now further, that within the country 97% of the country you walk, means you travel 3 kilometers and you can find a facility where you can get yourself tested for COVID. And then I also remember the time when these testing kits we were trying to import, and at prices which were sort of non-negotiable, because there was a sort of a monopoly, and the whole world was very keen to help its people, and the kits were not manufactured in India. And then came a time when we had started producing these indigenous kits in the country. We started validating them, and the time has come when we are validated. We have already validated a few hundred, I think 700-800 kits at multiple places. We not only produce these kits in the country and other related activity material for the relevant testings, but we also ensured that through these regional centers and through the depots that we created, we could supply them to all the places, relevant places within the whole country, at a time when the whole country was under lockdown.